Hello friends.
Today we will learn that how to convert direct speech into indirect speech. First of all, we have to understand that what is difference between direct speech and indirect speech. First, let's quickly review that what direct speech is. Direct speech is when we quote someone's exact word. For example, she said, "I am going to the store." Here we are quoting exactly what she said. Now indirect speech is when we report what someone said without using their exact word. So we could say, she said that she was going to the store. See how the words change. The meaning stays the same, but the structure is different. Let's dive into the steps of how to make that change. Step 1. Remove the quotation marks. This is the first thing you shall do when converting direct speech into indirect speech. Let's look at an example. He said, "I am coming home soon." In indirect speech, we simply remove the quotation marks. He said he was coming home soon. Step 2. Change the reporting verb if needed. In many cases, the verb said work perfectly, but if the sentence is more specific, you might use verb like told or asked. For example, she said, "I am learning English." Here, said stays the same. She said she was learning English. But in some cases, when you are giving information to someone specific, you might need to use told. He said to me, "I will be late." Now instead of said to me, we can use told me. So the sentence become, he told me he would be late. Step 3. Change the pronoun. The pronoun in direct speech might need to change depending on who is speaking and who is being spoken to. For example, "I love ice cream," she said. In direct speech, I refer to speaker. In indirect speech, we said I to she because the speaker is a female. For example, she said she loved ice cream. Step 4. Adjust tenses. In indirect speech, we usually shift the tenses back one step. Let's break it down with an example. "I am reading a book," he said. Here the present continuous am reading changed to the past continuous in indirect speech. He said he was reading a book. Let's look at a few more examples. "I will go to the party," she said. Will change to would. She said she would go to the party. Here's another one. "I have finished my homework," he said. The present perfect have finished become past perfect had finished. He said he had finished his homework. Step 5. Remove punctuation mark. In direct speech, we use quotation mark and punctuation like question marks and exclamation points. But in indirect speech, we turn it into a statement. "Where are you going?" she asked. Instead of keeping the question mark, we remove it and turn the question into the statement. She asked where I was going. To summarize, here are the steps to convert direct speech into indirect speech. Remove quotation marks, change the reporting verb if needed, adjust pronoun, backshift tenses, remove punctuation marks like question mark, add that for clarity. Thank you for watching.